Changing your Google account password is simple. Simply follow these steps. Firstly, open the Google account on your mobile device. Then, sign in with your current credentials if you are not already logged in. Now, tap on the your profile picture or initial option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop-down menu will appear. From here, tap on the Manage Google account. Now, on the top, tap on the security option available there. Now, in security, scroll down and look for the password section and simply tap on it. Now, after you tap on the password, in order to change your password, you will have to enter your previous password. Enter the password and tap on the next option available there. Now you will be prompted to change your password. Enter a new password. Retype the same password in the confirm new password field and simply click change password. Use at least 12 characters, include a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Avoid common words, easily guessable phrases, or personal information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.